Hello guys, today I will show you how to monitor VMware ESXI server from Nagios. First of all, I will show you how to download Nagios XI. We are going to use a free version of Nagios XI. So fill up the form to download the Nagios XI. Enter your name, last name, and give your email and whatever you give in your phone number, and you will receive a link to download to this email. So give your email and tick mark on the check mark and download, and it will proceed to the download page. I start downloading. I have already downloaded, so I can see it, and I will show you that I have already downloaded. Now go to yours. This is what I download, the Nagios XI 5.9 tar file. I have to bring this to my Ubuntu server. So go to the Ubuntu server. Go to this is my Ubuntu 18.04 latest version. You can check this by get etc OS release. Go to the temp cd temp, where we will put our Nagios XI file here. We can just drag and drop the file from our local to the server. Just drag and drop. This is our first time transferring file, so we need to install a package lrzsz. So install it apt-install lrzsz. This will allow you to directly copy from your local to your server with drag and drop. Now we can drag the file, and it will transfer to your server. This is the easiest way to transfer the file. You do not need any extra software for this. It's completed. We can check ls. Yes, the file is here, and we can tar xvf file name, enter the command ls to see. Nagios XI folder is there. Go to the Nagios XI folder, and you have to run the full install script to install all the packages. It will install all the packages which are required to run the Nagios on your Ubuntu server. So run this and be patient. It will take long time. It maybe take 30 to 40 minutes to install all the packages. If your VM is really fresh, then it will take a lot of time. I have paused the video, that's why it's going very fast. It will install all the packages that require. Finally Nagios XI installation complete. Now we can access Nagios XI web interface. By visiting the IPN/Nagios XI, go to your browser and paste it. The first step is to installation. In our case, we are going to use free edition. If you want to get a trial for 30 days, you will access all of the feature. You have to give your email address here, which you are downloaded, which you have already downloaded. So give your name and email here. But now we are going to use a free limited edition, which is enough for our monitoring VMware ESXI. Click on next and finish install. Admin account setting, you have to copy the password from here. Remember the Nagios username which is required, and next login. Finish install. It will install the Nagios web interface. Log into Nagios XI. Give the Nagios username, Nagios admin, and password, which we have already copy and paste it. Check mark the license and click on submit. Your Nagios XI is up. There is one host, which is the local host, which is the Nagios host. For VMware XI, we are going to configure wizard. From here we can search for VMware XI. We find it and select it. It appears as though you have not installed VMware SDK or ESX plugin. So we need to install the VMware SDK on our Nagios server so that we can monitor the ESX server. This is the documentation which are provided by Nagios to monitor the VMware server. In our case, our operating system flavor is Ubuntu, so we are going to run this section. Run the apt-get command. Update your server. It's done. And install the other required packages for the SDK. Here we are going to install other packages which are required for VMware SDK. It finished the installation. After that, we can now proceed to install a VMware SDK. Click on VMware SDK, copy the link, paste it on a browser, click on vSphere SDK. We are going to download this, so click download. It will redirect to next page where you have to select the flavor. We are going to download vSphere Perl SDK 7 version for x86 and 64.z. vSphere Perl SDK. Click on the download now button.
It will redirect to the login page where you have to add email address or customer number and a password of VMware Customer Connect. You have a account of VMware Customer Connect. I have already, so I enter it. Yeah, accept the VMware general terms. Yeah, start downloading, and the download is completed. Yeah, we have completely downloaded a VMware SDK 7, just like we did last file. Just drag and drop to your server. Yeah, it's success. Enter command ls to see. Yeah, tar x vf VMware vSphere ls and cd VMware vSphere CLI distro. Run the command VMware install.pl. Installing vSphere CLI 7 build for Linux. It will also install and download all the prerequisites required for the SDK, it including cpan perl module. Yeah, in which directory do you want to install the executable file? User bin, just press the enter key. Yeah, the vSphere CLI SDK is installed on our Nagios server. The installer has successfully installed the vSphere SDK for Perl. Go to the directory bin, cd bin, and we can run the VMware cmd command to check the version of our SDK installed on the server. VMware cmd -- version, it will show the installed version of vSphere SDK. Yeah, we have installed 7.00. Now go to user local Nagios plugin directory, which is user local Nagios libxml. All the plugins are installed here. We need 2 plugins. We have 2 plugins for the ESX server. Check ESX server t.pl. Type the plugin on your command. Yeah, it is working fine. All the required packages are have successfully installed. Go to the check ESX 3 plugins where you have find all the details related to these plugins. In the plugins we have to given the -h host name, we have to give the host name and user and password and whatever states we want. For this we are not giving our password directly to the CLI, so we have to create a file in which we store our credential, username and password. After creating the file, we pass it to the plugin. Yeah, the plugin. Yeah, we passed our password successfully. but we have error server version unavailable at https at user vi common.pem. So for this we need to uncomment a line in vi common.pem. And guys, you have to check one more thing. This SDK requests the API of VMware server on port 443. So you have to check before that this port is connected on both server and confirm this by telnet. Yeah, in our case the port is connected and open. The issue is here is the server version unavailable, and the issue is in vi.common file. To resolve this issue, in vi.common.pem file we are going to uncomment our line in this file. So yeah, the vi common.pem is not on this path. So let's check. Yeah, this is not also in this directory. So the best way to find this file is to run the command find and pause the file name. Run the command find, so it will find the file. Wait for the command to find the file. Yeah, it will find 3 files. We need the user share perl version and VMware vi common.pem. Vi find the line that we need to uncomment. Search in vim editor. Yeah, we find this and just enter I and uncomment and remove the hash to uncomment it. wq hyphen. Yeah, it saved the file, and now check that it's work or not. Yeah, successfully work. We have integrate the Nagios with VMware. We can check memory, we can check CPU, and now it's time to give it on, set it on Nagios. And the page and the plugin page, we will find all other parameters like CPU, memory, IO state, runtime, data space, all you find there. So look at this page to find more detail about the plugins. Now go to Nagios, refresh the Nagios dashboard, search the VMware, select VMware. Yeah, we have successfully installed VMware SDK on Nagios server. Enter the address of the VMware ESXI server, username and password of the server. Click on next. Select the required metrics which you want to monitor. Here we selecting all the metrics. Click on finish. Verification for configuration. Yeah, configuration applied successfully. Click on view status detail for the server. the metrics are in pending state, it will take some minutes to take the metrics from the server. Just wait a second. Yeah, it is acquiring all metrics from the server and the status is okay, and gradually one by one it going okay. In this scenario we are using the check VMware API.pl plugin, which is also used to monitor VMware API. It just same like a VMware ESXi.pl. Yeah, it working same as previous plugin. So if the plugin is not there, then we can install it from the browser. Yeah, gradually all the services status are going okay. If you want to install the check VMware.api.pl plugin, if it is not in the plugin directly, then you can install it. Yeah, just copy the git URL and go into temp and git clone the directory. It will clone the check VMware API.pl plugin cd into that directory, system.out plugin. Yeah, the plugin is there, check VMware API.pl. Move this or copy this plugin to the Nagios plugin directory. Yeah, we successfully move the plugin to Nagios plugin directory. Yeah, finally we successfully integrate VMware with Nagios. If you guys have any question, feel free to comment in the comment section, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.